required. The rank coefficient of correlation, full stop, interpret your results, 5 marks. Now, the first thing is to write these questions from the absolute values to ranked values. And if the ranks are tied or repeated, we take them as individual ranks, then get the average. So the tied ranks of the repeated ranks are given the average of those ranks as if they were individual values. So let's get these values first as they are. I have question 4a, and I say let x be marks in mathematics, let y be marks in English. Then I have the tabulation as follows: x, y, then I put rank of x, rank of y, then the difference, which is rank of x minus rank of y. Then finally, I should have that value d squared. These are my values: 31 for mathematics, 56 there, 36, 46, 44, 66, 28, 46, 56, 36, 76, 26, 36, 46, 96, 76. So I shall have the tabulation as indicated down. So these columns, I don't need their summation, but I need the summation here, which will come later. The ranking is done by first picking the values of x, get their ranks, then the values of y, get their ranks, then finally the difference in those ranks. As I said earlier, where a rank is repeated, we take the rank to be average. And the ranking is done in this order, from the highest to the smallest. In that descending order, we give the ranks. So for x, the highest value here is 96, so assign a rank of 1 there. Second highest value here is 76, assign a rank of 2. There's no other 70s, there's no other 60s. Next rank there is 56, assign the rank of 3. I move on. Next rank there, after 50, there's 40, 44 is there alone. I write the rank of 4. Then now I have this rank, which is 36, another 36. So 36, another 36. This rank would have been 4, then 5. Therefore, the rank to be assigned these two is the average. Sorry, the last point is number 4. Then this would be 5A, 5B, which is 5, 6. The actual rank to these two is the average between 5 and 6 if they are following each other. 5 and 6 average is 5.5. So here I'll write 5.5. Also here 5.5. Next, after that, I move from 5 to 6, should be 7. This would be given rank number 7. This last is rank number 8. So I've done my ranking in that order. I do the same for the so-called y. The highest value here for y is 76. Put there 1. There is no other 70s. So the next highest value here is 66. So assign number 2 here. There is no other 60s, but I have 56 standalone. That would give me number 3. After 56, which is number 3, I should go to, there's another 50s, but I have 46, 46, 46. We should go to 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. If that's the equation order, call it maybe 4, 5, 4A, 4B, and that. That is where we have 6. So I have to get the average of 4, 5, 6, which is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Therefore, this 46 is given rank of 5. This one is given rank of 5. This one also given rank of 5. We have moved from 4, 5, 6, which means the next one should be 7, then 8. So next rank, this 36 becomes number 7, and this is number 8. The difference is subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5.5 minus that one is 0.5. This is 2. That is 3. Negative 4. Negative 6. This is 0.5. That is negative 6. Let me write it clearly, negative 6. Then 0. I square this so that there is no cancellation effect. That is 16. 0.25. Then I have 4. I have 9. I have 16. I have 36. 0.25 and 0. Finally, I come and get the sum of my last column. What is the sum? Adding all these values under d squared. This is what I get. So that one should give me 81. That is once again 16 plus 0.25 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 36 plus 0.25. 81.5. So what do I do? The ranks were tied. We have a modified formula for rank correlation. So Spearman's rank correlation is R S Spearman is 1 minus 6 into summation of d squared plus t cubed minus t over 12. This is summation, this one. Because t refers to the number of times a quantity is repeated. 1 is standalone, and then we have n squared minus 1. Now, concerning a formula, we shall have Rs equals 1 minus 6 into d squared is 81.5 plus, look at here, under x, one value was repeated twice, appeared twice, 36, 36. So t becomes 2. So I have here 2 cubed minus 2 over 12 plus under y, 46 will appear 3 times. T now becomes 3. So I have 3 cubed minus 3 over 12. The whole of this over n, the number of values, there were 8 paired values, 8 into 8 squared minus 1. And I get 1 minus. I simplify inside there and check what does it give me, because this is 8 minus 2 is 6. That's a half. This is 27 minus 3 is 24. Divide by 12 is 2. So I have 2.5. This is a half. That is 2 plus 81.5. That is 81.5 plus 2.5. Should give me 84 over, this is 504. So RS equals this is 1 minus, the other one is 504 over 504, which is 0. So we are getting the value to be 0 there. So interpret your results. So since we have found that value, remember the first part here, this is to simplify that part before we multiply outside. Since we have found the inside to 84, that is giving us the numerator times that 504. We have a 0 value for R, and therefore that is we have